Sup, y'all? Dominoes 7 back again. All right, well, here again, or shall I say, ready for bed. Yep, your boy Dominoes 7 ready for bed. After being a weatherman and stuff like that, and we're on the flash flood watching stuff like that. So yeah, though. Okay, so done a YouTube live in bed, and then doing a Facebook live in Thunder. I was standing on my porch, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so now I want to explain what was happening though. Okay, for anybody that's concerned and stuff like that, getting mad at me over COVID and stuff like that, he feels some kind of way. Well, I can't tell that fool how to feel, but I don't even care. You know, I'm not gonna go back and forth with him on Facebook. I tell him to his face if I could, So I'm not gonna argue with this guy. Okay, so and plus I'm not gonna mention his name. So let me explain to y'all. Okay, so no phone calls, but I'm gonna tell you though. Okay, so I blocked this fool on Facebook because he was arguing, and well, not arguing me, why I lied to him, why I'm not outside. Flash flood warning for southeastern Louisiana. Well, I got that message right there. Okay, so and plus I ain't even realized it was past midnight. It was 12:04 when I started this. Okay, so anyway, what I want to talk about, y'all, that I'm very happy for my friend Cardera. He found true love, and I'm so happy for him. I prayed for him before I came on live. Okay, so I did a nice prayer for him and stuff like that because I don't like him being miserable though. Okay, yep. So you know what though, my friend Erica, she be in her feelings when it comes to certain kind of music, like love songs, talking about she was listening to this like she have a boyfriend and stuff. You know, I can't say I'm a boyfriend, which I wish I would have been a boyfriend. Cause with Erica it was love at first sight when I first met her. It's a personality I like. And she sure remind me of Tanya for some reason. Yeah, she remind me of Tanya. Yep. All right. So yeah, Erica. If you're watching this, I don't know if you're watching this on your timeline or on your television. I know you have you have a few smart TVs that broadcast YouTube. Okay, but this is being live on Facebook Live. Eventually uploaded to YouTube. So getting ready. I'm ready for bed. So yeah, okay, I'm ready for bed. Filming that, and also filming that at demolished building on Saint Bernard yesterday. So I was filming it yesterday. So I had to show y'all. I already showed y'all that building in the recording and stuff like that. Okay. So yeah, okay. So I'm so glad I showed y'all the building and everything before it was demolished. I was wondering what was taking them so long to demolish the building. You know. Okay, so I want to tell y'all last year, no, the year before last, my friend Erica's best friend Erica passed away from COVID-19. You know, so like I said, this COVID is serious. All right, so I mean, I felt her pain. I mean, I wish I could have comforted her. If I'd have known what was up. Cause I really don't like for her to cry. I haven't seen my friend Erica cry before, but I do wanna comfort her next time that happen. I really don't like to see her cry. And I don't want to hear about her crying. That makes me sad. At least my auntie Sandra met her. My auntie Sandra love Erica. Yep. So, I mean, Anybody with a good personality will be really loved. Yeah, I think my mama liked it. I forgot Erica met my mama. I forgot. I probably wasn't around when my mama met Erica. I probably but I was in the store where she worked at, but I probably wasn't around when uh uh when my mama met Erica. And Erica reminded me and see she met my mom. But I wish her mom, Miss Connie, would have met my mom. I wish. Maybe I would have told my mom, Ma, that's your daughter-in-law. All right, yeah, you know. Ever since she lost her best friend, I've been caring more and more. I was even caring about her when before her best friend passed away. I was looking forward to meeting her, but I never had that chance to meet her. And next of all, Nyla, her best friend Bug, I forgot his real name, but he passed away in a car crash, in a collision. So that was her best friend. I wish I would have had a chance to meet him. And then Nala had a couple of family members that passed away while I met her, while I'm knowing her. So God sent Nala in my life. Yep. So I still thank God for bringing her in my life because I love Nyla. She my best friend. I love her. Okay. I don't even know if she gonna watch this video or whatever. Maybe she watching it here on Facebook while I'm live, or she watching Facebook previously recording and stuff like that. Okay. This video gonna be eventually uploaded to YouTube, but if it's already on YouTube, then you're already watching it. Okay. Yeah, my friend Jakaya watched my videos too. Jakaya, if you're watching this here, Jakaya. Okay. Yeah. So anyway, Jakaya is sweet. She is real sweet. You know. She a real nice girl. I thank God every night that I met her. Yep. So she young enough to be my daughter. Yep. She's a good friend. I show her love for to be a guest on my show. I would love that honestly. And then this girl named Adramika. I only met her twice, and she's a nice girl though. But I'm not gonna say where she work at. And then as far as Jakaya goes, I'm not gonna say where she work at. Because I don't want nobody going to see. Oh, I just heard about you. Dominoes say you work here. Well, I'm not going to do all that. Because honestly, I don't know who watching my show. I don't know who watched Dominoes 7. Because there's some other people that's watching me. I don't know who else is watching me. I literally don't know. Okay. But Erica's best friend Erica, I don't think she had a chance to watch my show. So one time Erica was doing a live stream, a Facebook live stream and stuff like that. Okay. So I mean, I could have talked to her on Facebook, but I haven't been having time. I've been so busy with gameplays, shopping, and stuff like that. I know I shop at the same grocery store that she work at, but technically I haven't been having time to go look for or whatever. I haven't been having time. I still have a Valentine gift. But I haven't been having time. I mean, if I could see her and I know I was gonna see her, then I would have bought it to her. At this place with. I mean, I hate the position she working in, Oh well, but I'm not gonna say what it is though, and I'm not gonna say where, because I don't want nobody saying Dominoes say you worked there. I'm not gonna say none of that. Okay, so I'm not going even going film her in uniform. Then people don't know where the hell she at. Okay, so like I say, no matter what place it is, I'm not gonna say. Because I'm not gonna say where or how. Not even if it's whatever. Okay, rental warehouse, McFrugal's been out of business since God knows when, and then they had a huge fire in 1996 at a McFrugal's here in New Orleans. McFrugal's. Yeah, so I would say Erica is working at McFrugal's. So I don't know if she's ever heard of McFrugal's. I don't even know if she know about a McFrugal's. So, I mean, I think either she was born in 1988 or 89 or something like that. But the way I think about it, she don't work at a McFrugal's because McFrugal's is out of business. She probably work at Color Times. Well, or Circuit City. Yeah, she work at Circuit City. No, she don't work at no Circuit City. You know, she work at Color Tiles. Okay. Yeah, that's all I can say. Well, I'm lying. I still can't tell y'all what she work at. Cause all them places I'm talking about is out of business. So Maison Blancs. I would say she work at Maison Blancs or Kraus or Woolworth. Okay. Golly, I'm pulling the wool over y'all eyes. Yes, indeed, I'm pulling the wool over y'all eyes. So I got my shirt on and stuff like that. It was a big mistake of me vlogging without a shirt. I just had to get online and do a show. That's all I was doing, the show. Okay, I don't mean to be whatever whatever. Okay, whatever the heck I'm trying to say. Okay, so yeah. Okay. All right, so my word is this, ladies and gentlemen. I went to summer school because I failed the LEAP test. So my mom made me go, and I appreciated that. I wish I could have told my mom I was happy that she made me go to summer school. I went to summer school faithfully. I didn't play hooky or none of that. It's a shame for me to say this, like my oldest brother did. Mm-hmm. Hiding down in the St. Bernard Project or whatever. Well, that ain't the St. Bernard Project anymore. you know. So yeah. All right. So as far as Erica goes, she's a sweetheart. I'm not gonna say her full name on television unless she want me to say her full name. I met Zelly, and I told y'all that on my other episode. Okay. So on my other live stream, I mean, Zelly is awesome. He loves Sonic. So they used to call Dr. Eggman Dr. Robotnik. Well, I would say maybe Robotnik is his first name, or Eggman Robotnik or whatever. Okay. Mm-hmm. Unless he changed his name or whatever. So after I get off of here, I'm gonna go watch Highway to Heaven. Okay. On YouTube. Okay. With Michael Landon and Victor French. May those two rest in peace. They passed away 2 years apart. Just like Mary Tyler Moore and Valerie Harper. May all four of them rest in peace. Mm-hmm. Yep. And rest in peace to Gilbert Godfrey, also known as Iago from Aladdin. Yeah. So I'm ready for bed. Ready for bed. I am. So yeah, that's all I want to do is spend time with my good friend. After she lost her best friend and stuff like that, it makes me sad that she lost her best friend. You know, at least I'm still on this earth, and I could still make her laugh though. So yeah, we had a nice talk and all that. But instead of me talking to her at our job, because I'm getting tired of talking to her at our job. I want her to have free time and hang out in my house sometime. She have children, and I told her, well, bring them with you. We can all have fun, play video games, watch Sonic cartoons and stuff like that. Okay. And they went and saw that sort of Sonic movie. Mm-hmm. Erica's a good mom. I wish y'all can see her. So she have a YouTube channel. I don't know the name of it, Okay, so anyway, as far as Erica goes, how sweet she is and awesome she is, who I truly care about and stuff like that, Mm-hmm. Yep. So that's all there is to it, Okay. All right. So that's all I got to talk about right now. We'll go to YouTube live and stuff like that, All right, so anyway, make sure y'all watch my gameplays and stuff like that. Thank y'all for watching my video and stuff like that. And nighty night.